Chapter 11 National and International Days. Every year, we celebrate a number of occasions. Some occasions are associated with a family and some with a neighborhood. There are several occasions which are associated with a country. Such occasions are called the national days. All such occasions are celebrated with great enthusiasm. Some of the occasions are associated with the international importance. These occasions are called international days and are celebrated throughout the world. In India also, we celebrate some of the international days. Let us learn about the major national and international days. National days. National days are celebrated throughout the country. Many of them are celebrated in schools also. Major national days are discussed below. 1. Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated every year on 15th of August. It is associated with the independence of our country. On this day, our country achieved independence on 15th August 1947. Earlier, our country was governed by the British. Many people sacrificed their lives for the freedom of the country. On this day, we remember all those national heroes. Prime Minister hoists the national flag from the Red Fort. He delivers a speech for the people of India and assures complete development and security of the country. Activity. Name the Prime Minister of India who hoisted national flag last year at Red Fort on Independence Day. Many schools and other institutions also celebrate this festival. The principal of the school or head of the institution hoists the national flag. The students sing the national anthem. Sweets are also distributed among the students and the staff. Activity. Name the place where Independence Day is celebrated in your city. 2. Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th of January every year. On this day, our country adopted and implemented the Indian Constitution in 1950. By adopting the Constitution, our country became the Republic. It is celebrated throughout the country with great enthusiasm. A huge parade is held at Vijay Chowk of New Delhi to demonstrate the strength of the country. The President of India takes the salute from parade. This parade is formed by the armed forces, police, students and people from different parts of country. Tableaus from different states are great attraction in the parade. They depict the culture of different states. All government buildings are decorated with lights and flowers. Many bravery awards are awarded to the brave people. Brave children are also awarded the awards for bravery. Activity. Name the President of India who took the salute last year at Vijay Chowk on Republic Day. 3. Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is associated with the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. It is celebrated on 2nd of October every year. Gandhi ji was a great statesman who led the freedom struggle of India. He led many movements during British rule for the freedom of the country. At last, he was successful in bringing freedom to the country. He is also known as the father of the nation. He was the leader of common people. A few months after the independence, he was killed by Nathuram Godse on 30th January. A function is held at his samadhi on Rajghat. The President, Prime Minister and many other ministers and government officials offered prayers at his samadhi. 4. Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of September every year. This day is celebrated in the memory of Dr. Radhakrishnan. He was the President of India and was born on this day. He was a great teacher also. Therefore, this day is celebrated as Teachers' Day to give respect and love to all the teachers of the country. On this day, the students bring flowers for the teachers and greet them. Some students prepare greeting cards for the teachers to show their affection towards teachers. Activity. How would you greet your teachers on the next Teachers' Day? 5. Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on the 14th of November every year. This day is celebrated to commemorate the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children very much. Children also loved him very much and called him as Chacha Nehru. Pandit Nehru believed that children are the foundation of any country. On this day, a cultural program is held at schools. Children sing poems and songs for Pandit Nehru. Essay writing competitions are also held at schools. International days. Some days are celebrated throughout the world in relation with some person or activity. Some of these days are also celebrated in India. 1. World Health Day. This day is celebrated on 7th April every year. It is believed nowadays that every individual in this world is a resource because he can perform many works. A man can become a resource only when he is healthy. This day is celebrated throughout the world to bring awareness among the people of the world to stay healthy. The poor countries cannot afford the advanced medical treatment of the people. Such countries get money from the United Nations to make people healthy. On this day, many health campaigns are launched. Banners, posters, and advertisements are used for the awareness. Children are given polio drops. Other immunization programs are also started to give immunization to the children. 2. International Environment Day. This day is celebrated on the 5th of June every year. This day is celebrated to make the people aware that the environment in which we are living should be pollution-free. The forest and green vegetation should flourish in all the parts of the world. Some of the areas of the world are getting polluted. On this day, many campaigns are launched to minimize the pollution-affected areas. This day is celebrated in some schools also. A competition is held in which children make posters of environmental awareness. 3. International Labour Day. This day is celebrated on the 1st of May every year. It is celebrated to let the whole world know that only hard work can bring prosperity and development in all the parts of the world. This day is celebrated to honor the hard-working laborers in different corners of the world. Their role in today's development is really commendable. We should respect the laborers. 4. International Women's Day. This day is celebrated on the 8th of March every year. In today's world, the women do not lag behind the men. Their role is equally important as compared to the men. The women of today are marching ahead in all the fields like military, police, science, space, and so on. This day is celebrated to honor the women of whole of the world. This day reminds us to treat women with respect. Things to remember. 1. Prime Minister hoists the national flag from Red Fort on 15 August. 2. On 26 January, our country adopted the Indian Constitution in 1950. 3. 2nd October is celebrated as the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. 4. Teachers' Day is celebrated on the 5th of September in the memory of Dr. Radhakrishnan. 5. Children's Day is celebrated on the 14th November of every year. 6. International Labour Day is celebrated on the 1st of May every year. 7. International Women's Day is celebrated to honor the women of whole of world.